All right, 16 volt lithiums. What are they about? Do they work? What's the benefit to them? We're here to answer that question. So I get asked all the time, do I need a 16 volt for my graph to run the way it's supposed to? And it's kind of a yes and no question, or yes and no answer, I should say. So a good powerhouse, for example, good 12 volt lithium at Powerhouse Lithium makes sits at 13.1 volts. Your electronics are going to run great with that lithium. At 16 volts, the real benefit is that your battery has a less amperage draw on it. Your devices are pulling less amperage because they're at that higher voltage. So in theory, battery is going to be more efficient and your devices potentially are going to run cooler at a lower amperage. Now, like I said, there's nothing wrong with a 12 volt lithium. If you're running a Powerhouse 12 volt lithium, you're going to sit at 13.1 volts and your electronics are going to run great all day. But the benefit to a 16 volt is what I'm going to show right here. So on this boat, I have right here what's called an amp clamp. This amp clamp is showing our amperage, which is that number jumping from 4.9 to 5.2 volts. That is essentially the amperage that is getting pulled on this battery via all the electronics running on the boat. So what I'm going to do, as we can see right now, we'll call it about a 5 average. I'm actually via this switch going to turn it off. We can see now our amp load is starting to crank down as the circuit starts to essentially discharge. And I'm going to change it to where the electronics are now running off of this 12 volt Powerhouse lithium. So give me 1 second as I turn these on. All right, now we're jumping back to it. Sweet. All right, so now we've got the amp clamp on our 12 volt cranking lithium, and I have just the electronics on the boat running off this lithium right now. And as you can see, we are now getting in the range of about 7 amps, when before we were around the 5 and 6 amp mark. So this is a perfect example of 16 versus 12. At 16 volts, our amp draw off that battery for all the electronics is less than the 12 volt. In layman's terms, ultimately what that's going to mean is that 16 volt battery is more efficient on the water than 12 volt battery. Number 2, at lower amperage, in theory, our devices are going to run cooler. And a big aspect to electronics is heat soaking. When a device gets hot, it's going to run slower and it's not going to process the pictures it's supposed to. So that's the big benefit to 16. Is just the layman's terms, hey, is the picture going to be better? Not necessarily true unless you have right conditions with wiring and all that good stuff. But is a 16 volt going to potentially make your system run better than it did before because of a lower amperage draw? Absolutely. So if your electronics can run on 16 volts, I highly recommend them. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with a 12 volt. You'll get the exact same pictures, but there is a potential with that lower amperage. The device is going to run faster. It's going to run cooler. Will that lead to a better picture? Potentially. So if you guys are looking to get some new lithiums for your electronics, check out the Powerhouse 16 volt battery. It's a great battery. It's what we're running a lot of customer boats and pro boats like this one. This is a Drew Cook's 2026 Elite Series boat, and it is set up with a Powerhouse setup. So if you guys are interested in some Powerhouse lithiums, check them out at SonarProsElectronics.com or give us a call at 770-530-4505.